Our selection of healthy foods and foods rich in vitamins and minerals that our body needs helps us live a disease-free, healthy and vibrant life. In this article, we will offer you 20 foods, which the researchers recognized are the best, in terms of supplying the body with the beneficial elements it needs. Through experiments they have made it to thousands of foods, and they choose it as the most beneficial. The 20 most healthy foods for the human body. 1. Hot pepper. One of the most beneficial foods for the body, with a nutritional rating of 62, and the number of calories is 324 calories, 100 grams. The capsicum fruit is characterized by its containment of many essential and beneficial substances for the body. 2. Red pepper. Pepper is one of the most beneficial foods for the body, with a nutritional rating of 62, and the calorie content is 324 calories per 100 grams. 3. Almonds. With a food score of 97, it is considered one of the most important foods beneficial to human health, and its caloric content reached 579 kilocalories, 100 grams. Almonds are rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, and are considered a very useful substance for diabetics and heart patients, as stated in the results of a research conducted by a group of Spanish scientists, that a pregnant woman's daily intake of 74 grams of almonds plays a major role in developing the intelligence of the newborn. 4. Peas. Of the very popular foods that usually have a special taste at lunch, its nutritional rating is 67, and the calorie content is 77 calories per 100 grams, and it is a food rich in phosphorus, magnesium, iron, zinc and fiber. 5. Long stem broccoli. It is characterized by some length in the leg, and the size of its flower is less than 8, as the nutritional rating of this type of food is 62, and it contains 22 calories per 100 grams. Long stem broccoli differs from the well-known broccoli, as it belongs to the radish family, and is a rich in fiber. 6. Green cabbage. It does not contain a kernel of fiber-rich food, which has a nutritional rating of 63, and the calorie content is 32 calories per 100 grams. It helps with weight loss, as it contributes to delaying hunger. 7. Red cabbage. Red cabbage is one of the tastiest foods rich in fiber, and its nutritional rating is 65, and its calorie content is 31 calories per 100 grams. Red cabbage is characterized by its high content of vitamins. 8. Basil. Known as a heart food, it strengthens it and protects it from diseases. It is said to be a strong antibacterial and antifungal. The basil's nutritional rating score is 63, and the caloric content is 23 calories per 100 grams. 9. Frozen spinach. It is rich in magnesium, vitamin A and folic acid, and has a nutritional rating of 64, and the calorie content is 29 calories per 100 grams. Frozen spinach is a substance with more nutritional value than fresh spinach. 10. Dandelion leaves. One of the foods rich in calcium, vitamins A and C, with a nutritional rating of 64, and 45 calories per 100 grams. 11. Pink griffin. Grapefruit. Its average food grade is 64, and its caloric content is 42 calories per 100 grams, and it contains nutrients with great benefits, including treating the acidity of the digestive system, reducing plaque in the arteries, stopping the spread of cancer cells, and others. 12. Green onions. Among the best healthy foods, it is a food substance known to be rich in copper and magnesium, in addition to being a source of vitamin K. Green onions have a nutritional rating of 65, and the caloric content is 27 calories per 100 grams. 13. Mandolina or mandarin. This fruit belongs to the citrus family that has a nutritional rating 67, and the calorie content is 53 calories per 100 grams. The mandarin fruit is rich in sugars, carotenoids and vitamin A. 14. Watercress. Watercress is a distinctive healthy food, as its nutritional rating is 68, and the caloric content is 11 calories per 100 grams. This plant, which lives in freshwater streams, is used as a medicine for the lack of minerals in the body. 15. Dried celery. It is dried in the form of leaves, and is used for flavoring food. It is an important source of vitamins, minerals and amino acids. Its nutritional rating is 68, and the caloric content is 319 kilocalories, 100 grams. 16. Dry parsley. One of the foods containing the most calories, 292 calories per 100 grams, has a nutritional rating 69. Parsley, which is dried for use as a type of spice, is a substance rich in nutrients for bones and teeth, such as fluoride, boron and calcium. 0.17 Sugar beet leaves nutritional rating score 70. Calorie content 22 kilocalories, 100 grams. Sugar beet leaves contain calcium, iron, vitamin K and a group of B vitamins, vitamin B2 in particular, which qualifies it to be one of the best in the list of healthy foods. 0.18 Boiling you can obtain through eating charred food a set of health benefits, including that it helps to reduce blood pressure, enhance blood circulation, protect the body from heart disease, and the risk of heart attack or stroke. The chard gets a nutritional rating of 78, and it includes calories are 19 calories, 100 grams, and additionally contains calcium, copper, iron, magnesium and potassium. 0.19 Pumpkin seeds. These seeds constitute one of the most important sources of iron and manganese, as they have a nutritional rating of 84, and the calories are 559 kilocalories, 100 grams. 0.20 Chia seeds. Black seeds are small and rich in fiber, protein, linolenic acid, phenolic acid, and various vitamins. The nutritional rating of these seeds is 85, and the calorie content is 19 calories per 100 grams.